Click on the link below to get price. The Electro Voice Evolve 50 Portable 1000W Bluetooth-enabled subwoofer and column speaker kit is a remarkable audio solution that blends power, portability, and cutting-edge technology into a compact design. This system is ideal for musicians, DJs, and event coordinators who demand high-quality sound without the hassle of cumbersome equipment. One of the standout features of the Evolve 50 is its impressive 1000W power output, which delivers rich, clear audio with a frequency response that caters to both low-end bass and crisp treble. The 12-inch subwoofer ensures that the bass is punchy and well-defined, making it perfect for live performances and larger gatherings. The column speaker design disperses sound evenly across a wide area, ensuring that everyone in the audience can enjoy top-notch audio. Portability is a significant advantage of this system. The Evolve 50 is lightweight and comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to transport to various venues. The quick setup process, aided by an adjustable height design, allows users to get the system up and running in minutes, saving time during performances. Bluetooth connectivity is another notable feature, enabling wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. This functionality enhances flexibility, allowing users to play music without the clutter of cables. Additionally, the built-in mixer provides control over volume, EQ settings, and effects, further customizing the listening experience. User-friendly controls and the intuitive app interface make it accessible even for those who may not be sound engineers. Whether you're hosting a wedding, giving a presentation, or playing at a local venue, the Evolve 50 adapts seamlessly to different scenarios. In conclusion, the Electro Voice Evolve 50 Portable Subwoofer and Column Speaker Kit is a powerful yet compact audio solution that excels in both sound quality and portability. Its innovative features and ease of use make it an excellent investment for anyone serious about delivering an unforgettable audio experience.